Here's the encyclopedia of the ivory-billed woodpecker. There's the ivory-billed woodpecker right here. This is a 1960 or 70 encyclopedia. This is the original ivory-bill. This over here is the pileated woodpecker right here. And this here is the green woodpecker. And it says that in the encyclopedia, it says right here that one of the woodpeckers, called the ivory-billed woodpecker, is one of the rarest birds in North America. He is a large, wild, shy bird with a high scarlet crest. It lives in the Virginia forest of the southern states. The pileated woodpecker is another North American bird. It is somewhat smaller than the ivory-bill and is still common in the forest. The yellow-bellied sapsucker and the flicker are also North American woodpeckers. The red-headed woodpecker has red, white, and bluish-black feathers. The hairy woodpecker and the downy woodpecker both live throughout the year in the northern state and Canada. The small downy woodpecker is the most common. The acorn woodpecker lives on the Pacific coast of North America. And it tells you right there. Right there's the ivory-billed woodpecker. And this is the encyclopedia that I have. And this is known as the ivory-bill. This is known as the ivory-bill right here. I forgot. This is the hairy woodpecker. It says right here for the ivory-bill, once found in southeastern United States, now almost extinct, body length 20 inches. Right there. The body length is 20 inches of the bird. This is the ivory-bill right there. There's a real good picture. Which, if he was, let me do some more research here. It doesn't say how big the pileated woodpecker is. Ooh, this is a 1965 encyclopedia. Right there. 1965 encyclopedia. Right there. 1965. Woodpecker, yeah, see, this is the 1965 encyclopedia. But there they are. This is the bird everybody's looking for. He's right here. And here's the pileated that everybody's getting confused. You can see the white on him here. He has no white on these feathers. He looks pretty much like the white feathers and the white down his back. He's got a little bit of higher crust. This bird is 20, it says it's 20, body length 20 inches, so which means he would have the biggest hole in the tree. He would have the biggest hole in the tree if he was to make the nest, full-grown male and female. And I'll upload this right quick.